So, good evening, everyone. I am Dr. Satyabrata, MDDM clinical pharmacologist, and today I am going to discuss on histogram. The overview is that it is a type of bar diagram and it represents the data in a frequency distribution, and the width represents the interval and the height represents the frequency of distribution. So, this is the diagram showing the histogram. In case of category 1, the color, different colors to different sample, and category 2, category 3, and category 4. This the histogram is looking like this. Then what is the property of a histogram? The data must be continuous and the data must be arranged in a proper class interval, and the class interval should not be too large or too small. And in case of histogram, there is no space between the bars, and in the class interval left data included but not the right data. So how to calculate class interval? Number of observation n, number of cells k. So less than 50, then 5 to 7 number of cells, 50 to 100, 6 to 10 number of cells. The number of observation 101 250, then number of cells 7 to 12. If the number of observation more than 250, then number of cells 10 to 20. So, and alternate formula, class interval k is equal to root over no number of observations, that is n. So for example, uh, if I want to tell you that draw a histogram for this data, the data is 15, 35, 46, 78, 42, 39, 21, 79, 26, 34, 75, 56, 67, 29, 55, 86, 73, 18, 50, 60. Then the class interval frequency in case of 15 to 30. If you take 15 to 30 class interval, then frequency is 5. 30 to 45 class interval, the frequency is 4. 45 to 60 class interval, the frequency is 4. 60 to 75 class interval, the frequency is 3. 75 to 90 class interval, the frequency is 4 in this data. Then the histogram is formed, and there is written, this is the histogram showing the class interval. 15 to 30 there will be 5, 30 to 45 there will be 4, 45 to 64, 60 to 75 3, 75 to 90 4. This can be done through Excel, Microsoft Excel. You can use Excel to create the histograms. If you put the data in the there and click on histogram, then this type of figure will obtained. So then coming to types of histogram. Types of histogram are can be symmetrical, right skewed, left skewed, bimodal, and multimodal. Then coming to application of histogram. These histograms gives an overall idea of distribution of data, and they can have an idea of mode, and in one diagram we represents a number of data, and this can facilitate the comparison of process results with specification limits, and histogram instantly communicate information about variables, their values, and their occurrences, and histogram can make informed decisions based on data analysis. So what is the disadvantages of histogram? The histogram is not relevant for detailed analysis of the data, as it deals with a summary of the data distribution. As there is class interval, so we will have difficulties in finding a pinpoint data. And other disadvantage is that it is difficult to compare between two data sets in using histogram, and we cannot be used for discontinuous data set, and the histogram cannot be used for discontinuous data set. So these are some references you can go through. These references to learn more about this topic, that is histogram. You can also try doing histogram through the Excel, Microsoft Excel, through computer, and and thank you for watching, and uh, subscribing my channel, and watching my videos completely till the end. Uh, I am sure that you will learn a lots of things from these from my channel, and mm, keep watching. Uh, that's all for today. Thank you very much, and stay safe. Jai Jagannath.